Imagine a world where every child is prepared, both intellectually and emotionally, to rise to the highest calling of their hearts. Imagine a world where all families have the tools to break free from the shackles of poverty, limited opportunity, and low expectations. Imagine a world where every individual contributes fully to America's prosperity, helping to make our country stronger, prouder, and better. That is the work of Yes, Our Kids Can. Our message is big: to disrupt the cycle of generational poverty by creating a success mindset in all families, no matter their circumstance. We help families build confidence and dignity. You could say we are teaching struggling families to envision themselves in a life of prosperity. We are teaching them to have the same expectations as a prosperous family. And the quicker we do that, the closer we come to disrupting the cycle of generational poverty. For every family that escapes poverty, 4 remain in its grasp. This means that the numbers of people living in poverty and thinking in poverty are growing exponentially. This is why we must act now. Yes, Our Kids Can has identified a void no one else is addressing. A comprehensive family engagement program delivered on tablets and smartphones by way of the public school system, starting in pre-K. It reaches the parents, the students, in fact, the entire family, delivering the tools they need for inspired college and career readiness and a life of prosperity. All you need to do to believe is talk to a mom or go to a classroom to witness families rising, to witness history in the making.
I'll be successful because I believe in me. I will stay in school, nothing will stop me. I will prove it to the world, you will see.
This sounds like a really good program for each campus and every place, and I hope this gets spread worldwide.